Well, I've come down to a favourite place of mine to fly in the evening. This is down the end of the canal road down towards San Patong, and the view across the valley here are farm fields, and really it's just like it's rural Thailand. It's really beautiful landscape. It's farmland, and you can see the rows and rows of fields that have been flooded, ready for churning over and then ultimately planting. Much of this will be rice. A few of the fields out here are planted up already, and in the view from the air you can see that there are many more to plant. The sun goes down over the mountains here, and it gets a bit bright at this point in the day, and you can hardly look at the mountains. Today the air is slightly, how can I put it? There's not a taste of smoke, but it's slightly hazy looking, as if there's a lot of smoke around. The AQI has risen up to double what it was a week ago, so when you look out you can't see the mountain behind our home, and the horizon is often obscured with a fine cloud. This time of evening it's cooling down, and to be out here looking at the farmland, hearing the birds, seeing everybody going off home after a busy day in the field, it's a nice place to be. Well, I'm stood beside the Mae Khan. It's a river, but there's no water running through it at the moment. The water level is quite low. They've been excavating upstream, and also the river at this time of year, all the water around here is used for farming and not necessarily for beautiful rivers. The valley here has got no roads going up that way. The road actually goes just around skirts around the outskirts of this valley, and it's a nice little drive through farmland, and it's all just like this farmland. It's one of my favourite little drives. When I go up to the temple over there that's got the four statues, which is Wat Supanyu, that's over there off this road as well. I'm going to go for another flight, I think. That sun's looking inviting. So here we are, the other side of the orchard. This is a lamyai orchard, and the farmland just behind it, shielded from the road. Maybe they think that you can't see it from the road, for Christ's sake. The smoke is just billowing out from the burning on the field here. Crazy. As you saw from the aerial footage, the place is just well alight.